Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this beautiful crochet doily. You can also call it flower coaster. I am using a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook for my project and a 3-ply yarn. You can use any type of yarn or crochet hook. First of all, make a slip knot, and then with the help of crochet hook we would make chains. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5 and chain 6, and after making 6 chains make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and after that into the ring make a double crochet. Make double crochet 2, double crochet 3, then double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and in this way make total 15 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2 doesn't count as a double crochet, so now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, and after that make 2 chains again and into the same double crochet stitch where we have made a slip stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. After that into the next stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, into the next stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So this is an increased round, and in this round we would make 2 double crochets into the every stitch and complete the round. So I have completed my round. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, our second round is completed. Now make chain 1 and chain 2 again and into the very first double crochet stitch where we have made a slip stitch make 1 double crochet, into the next one make 2 double crochets, double crochet 1 and into the same stitch double crochet 2, and now into the next stitch make double crochet 1 and into the next one make double crochet 2 times, into the next one make 1 and into the next one again make 2 double crochet stitches. So in this round we would make 1 2 1 2 1 2 and complete the round. Now make a slip stitch into the double crochet stitch. Third round is completed. Now we would start fourth round, so make 3 chains, and now these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and into the same stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, and now we have 3 double crochet stitches including the 3 chain. Now we would skip 3, make 2 chains, skip 3 stitches and into the fourth double crochet stitch make 3 double crochet stitches right here, double crochet 1 then double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Again make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2, skip 3, 1 2 3, and into the fourth one make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Make 2 chains, skip 3 stitches, and into the fourth stitch make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. So repeat the process and complete this round. Now make chain 1 and chain 2 in the last and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now the fourth round is also completed. For the fifth one, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet, and into this chain 3 where we have made a slip stitch, make 1 double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochets including the 3 chains. After that, into the next double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet, and into the next one make an increase again, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same double crochet stitch. So now we have total of 5 double crochets right here. Make chain 1 and into the next double crochet stitch make 2 double crochets, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Into the next one make double crochet 1 and into the next one make 2 double crochets. We would increase in the first and third double crochet stitch, make chain 1. Now into the first double crochet stitch make 2 double crochets and into the next one make 1 double crochet and into the next one again make 2 double crochets. So in this way complete the round. So I have completed the round. In the last make chain 1 and again make a slip stitch into the third chain. Make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 which will be counted as a double crochet, and make a double crochet stitch into the same chain 3. This is an increase. Now into the next stitches, next 3 stitches make 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1 into the next stitch double crochet 2 and into the next stitch make double crochet 3. And now again in the last stitch we would do an increase, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So now we have total of 7 double crochets here. Make chain 1 and again into the first stitch do an increase by making 2 double crochets into the same stitch, and again into the next 3 stitches make 3 double crochets, and after that into the last one again make 2 double crochets into the same stitch, which is an increase. We would do an increase in the first and last double crochet stitch in this round and make simple double crochets in each of the stitches in between first and last. So in this way we would complete our round by repeating the process. In the last again make 2 double crochets into the same stitch and make chain 1 and complete the round till the end. Now make chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the third chain. Now in the third stitch third double crochet stitch, excluding the 3 chain. Make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and then double crochet 8. So make 8 double crochets into this stitch, and now into the last double crochet stitch make a slip stitch. So this is our first petal. Make a slip stitch into the chain 1, and then make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch. After that, skip 2 and into the third one. Again make 8 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4, and double crochet 5, and double crochet 6, double crochet 7, and then double crochet 8. So make 8 double crochets into this stitch, and again make a slip stitch into the last double crochet stitch, slip stitch into the chain 1 space, and then double crochet, which is the first one, make a slip stitch right here, and then into the fourth double crochet stitch make 8 double crochets, and in this way repeat the process and complete the round. I have completed my round. Now to finish it, make a slip stitch into the last double crochet stitch, slip stitch into the chain 1 space, and after that make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch of the petal. Now cut this yarn and weave this yarn end with the help of crochet hook at the back side of your work. You can use yarn needle also. I have woven the yarn ends. This is how our work look like. So if you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel also to see daily updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.